Hey, this is Ed, your landscaping coach. I just want to show you a couple of the greens that I have off of my tower garden out in the front. And one of the greens that I have is this beet. I actually have beet greens, and they are very delicious in the salad. I may let it go to see how far I can grow it to get to the size of the actual beet. But these are our beet greens that I have out there on the tower. Really nice and firm. They've been growing now for probably like about a week and a half, 2 weeks. And I have some parsley. Have some parsley growing on. It's coming in pretty well. This is January here in Southern California, so we still have quite a bit of sun. It was pretty warm the last couple of weeks in the 80s. So the vegetables that are out on the front patio, they're doing pretty decent. Gets pretty cool in the evening time though, like around about 59 degrees or so. We have some thyme. And a lot of these herbs, they're going to grow really well. And other vegetables, they're going to grow really well when the sun gets a lot warmer, and it's warmer in the day and warmer at night. And we have a western facing sunlight, so we are getting some sun. But this is a winter, but we have some different things that are growing here in the wintertime. We have some celery. Yes, I have celery out there on the tower. This is just some small uh, growths or strands of the celery that's growing out there on the tower. And all these vegetables have probably been in for maybe about a month or so. So they're they were started from some little starter pots, and we have some dock. This is really good in the salads. This is really good. It's got kind of a sweet, tangy flavor, but this is called dock. And we have some spinach. So some different types of spinach that's growing out there on the tower also. But this is pretty much your plain leaf spinach. So that goes into the salad also. And we have some other herbs. This is really, really small. I think this is oregano, but this one is pretty small. It's the weather is not really conducive for a lot of herbs, but I do have some things growing out there. I have some tomato plants growing, and it's doing really well. It actually has tomatoes on it right now. So once I'll do a little video and show you the tomatoes. But this is just a little bit of a show of what I have growing right now for the winter, for a nice quick snack. A lot of different little greens here. I can throw together something, put it in an omelet, something like that. Parsley, if you need parsley, throw it inside spaghetti or some sauces or something like that. So just give you a little bit of inside scoop on what's happening with my hydroponic garden. Be sure to check out our videos on growing your own food at home, and enjoy, stay healthy, and know where your food comes from. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.